Welcome back to the channel and happy new month to everybody. It's a pleasure having you here. And today we're going to be talking about the fiber Euro USD. It looks like a drop. Yes, indeed, it looks like a drop. Yesterday we had a bullish move, or rather a bearish move on the DXY on the USD, which made this EURUSD to appreciate uh, over 80 pips thereabout. And that looks a bit too much for a Monday. And I am suspecting, based on my analysis, and that's what I want to share with everybody, I'm suspecting that this move is false. It seems a bit way too early for the beginning of the week and even for the beginning of the month. And don't forget, this week we have high impact news. Let's have a look at the calendar. We have high impact news coming out this week. And of course, on Friday, we have what? On Friday, we have the non-farm payroll, which is the big one. One thing you will notice based on the calendar that we have in front of us is that right from Monday, we have high impact news for the dollar. And today, Tuesday, high impact news for the dollar. Tomorrow, Wednesday, high impact news for the dollar. Thursday, high impact news. And Friday, high impact news, which tends to be typical of the first week of every new month. In a previous video, we talked about take note of things that happen in the beginning of the week, in the beginning of the month, and so on. Very, very key, very, very important. So I still strongly believe that this move on the Euro USD looks like a trap, looks like a bull trap. I feel it is trying to suck in buyers, and then before you know it, it tanks heavily. That's just my analysis, which is based on what I can see now. So if price tends to change its mind, I would follow accordingly. But for now, I see it as a bull trap. Now, if you look at the waves, look at the waves, we had this wave to the upside, and we had this wave to the downside. You notice as we pick this first wave going up, you notice that the lows over here from where it started has been taken out. And then this wave, it was taken out by this point over here. Now, this wave to the downside, I'll call this wave 2, to the downside has been taken out by this guy here, right? So this is the wave that I am looking at now. So looking at this bullish move, right, I would like to see price pull back to this area here, to the beginning of the move from, or rather to the lows, let's just call it the lows, from the lows of this week and of the lows of this new month. I'd like to see price test this area again. Now, per adventure, price pushes higher past the highs over here. I feel that the push, or how will I put it? I feel like the magnetic pull of the others to the downside will be higher if this point is taken out. I feel based on like divergence and some other things, they should kick in very hard and price should pull back. At least price should pull back to this area over here, right? So this is where I'm looking at over here for price to pull back. So we're going to pay attention today to see whether this highest number one is taken out here, is taken out, right? And then if this is taken out and pushes higher, the divergence on this particular move will be stronger and to give rise to CT traders, to give rise to the counter trend traders to jump in, and they could even do some fading, a couple of fades just to take the price down, right? From my little years of experience, I still believe that this here, it's lying, it's a trap, right? Take it with a pinch of salt, conduct your own analysis as well. This information that I'm sharing with you is my own analysis, and it should not be used as a form of signal or trade call. Let's use this as a form of, analysis. We're sharing ideas, so to say. So maybe in the comment section, you could also write down your own thought process on what you think the fiber is up to this week. Let's start from this week. right? And then we'll continue the story for this new month of June. Now, I'm going to be wrapping up this video, right? Because I want the news to come out for today. I want to see whether we push higher past this or we drop lower, at least to these highs over here, right? So this will be a first starting point for me to drop lower, which coincides with here and then here as well. But then don't forget, I am after this major wave here, this new wave here on the hourly time frame. I do hope that what we've been talking about here has helped you to think in a different manner. Because I remember when I was a newbie, when I was new to the business, whenever I saw this massive move, I would even be FOMO, fear of missing out, and I could easily just start clicking on buy over here, only for the market to just do a major drop, taking out my stop loss, or if I don't have a stop loss, putting me into, a very deep drawdown, so to say, right? So let's wrap up this video here. Share your own ideas in the comment section below. You're new to the channel, hit the subscribe button so that when we post new content like this, you watch it over and over and over again, and then hopefully it helps you out. Thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Enjoy the rest of the week. Please trade safely, protect your account accordingly. This week is going to be explosive if you are trading any of the dollar pairs, right? Trust me, you want to protect your account in this new week. It will be too early for you to start losing big chunks of your account or to even crash your account. It will not go down well, I'm sure, because it's a new week, it's a new month. But thank you guys. Enjoy the rest of the day. Cheers.